It can zoom in on your face, it can get an outline of your face, and if a photo of you has ever been uploaded anywhere online or on a driver's license or anything, it'll search the database, it'll link it to your face and know exactly who you are. On top of this, with the audio, like they have in China, there have been Chinese people who have been punished by the state for saying things in public that go against what the state deems acceptable. So in other words, if I go out in public when this is implemented and the government has brought in, say, some oppressive laws and they're taxing us at like 95% or something, and I say in public, this government is a dictatorship, I hope someone overthrows them because I can barely live right now, I'm almost homeless, that will show up on the camera audio. Then they'll use the facial recognition software to scan my face. It'll link to who I am online, and then they can send the police to arrest me for speaking out against the state.
There are just so many things wrong with this Orwellian ideology. I don't even know where to begin. To a true observation of the world around us, it's hard enough to get police to attend a real crime scene as it is. Therefore, it's completely illogical to think that there will be all these minions working for Big Brother behind the scenes who are going to rush out and arrest people for dissing the government. Secondly, the idea of politics always conveys injustice in order for people to fight the system. Okay, fighting the system would be a controlled opposition, okay, and a form of politics in itself. So why would anyone want to rush out and arrest you for doing the work of politics? Orwellian ideals and George Orwell, 1984, is labelled science fiction for a reason, because it is science fiction. And it appears to be represented as somewhat truthful in the trutherism religion, which is also an apocalyptic ideology, and no different to Christianity with its own doomsday kind of scenario in the collapse of society. Thirdly, I would like to add, if this guy's sister was kidnapped by someone out on the street, would he be so against facial recognition technology then? These people love to feel persecuted and victimized because it somewhat validates their existence. Therefore, they become delusional and brainwashed into thinking they are on some righteous path, when all they are spreading is literally just fear and lies, no different to Christians. And the ironic thing about Sherman Valhalla Burgess is he is sworn against Christianity when he represents a concept that is structured identically, and he is the saviour. Cities will burn before people get off their backsides. Fourthly, even if this were to be true, okay, what do you think you're doing about it? What is your solution? Sitting in your car, making YouTube videos. That is your solution. It is completely irrational and a dead cause. Okay, it only exists in your mind. They have trialed it in China. Okay, have you been to China before? You proclaim all this fake news, yet you read, you pull your truth from the same source. 2025, a dire warning. So you're even prophesying things in the future. Okay, fear-mongering, apocalyptic nonsense. But the point I would like to express in this video is how the Orwellian ideas are completely fictional, and that's no word of a lie. It doesn't pretend to be anything else. And I would not recommend people spend their precious time on this earth living out these delusional fantasies and just wasting their time and life. Have a great night and a happy new year.